In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp and then click on settings at the bottom right. Scroll down, click on privacy, then click on contacts, blocked. And then over here, you'll see the list of your blocked contacts. So when you slide to the right, to the left on an entry, as you can see, it says unblock, and there is no way to actually remove the entry from this list because this list serves as a permanent record of people restricted from contacting you. Even if you click edit and then click here, as you can see, it says unblock only. And when you go here, as you can see, it only says unblock, there's no remove. So to unblock or remove an entry from the list, you just have to unblock the person. So just like this, and now it's removed. And that's it for the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.